Okay, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you actually something very interesting. You're looking at the Amazon page, and here on this page, you see a lot of coloring books. Technically, to tell you the fact, there are 64,000 results for the keyword coloring books for kids, which tells us that these books are in high demand. Take a look at these. There are so many sponsored search results on this page. That was one there. This is another segment of sponsored search results, which means people are willing to spend on ads to sell their books. And look at these books, they're selling really good. So many of them, 64,000 of them. Now, coloring books, I'm sure you know how to make them. Or did I get it wrong? It's difficult to create these coloring pages. You gotta draw them, you gotta hire an artist, go to Fiverr or somewhere else, get these illustrators to create these artwork based on your ideas and then give them to you. You pay them, and then you package them, you sell them. It's a lot of work. But what if I told you that there's an easier method? And of course, it does not involve Midjourney. It does not involve any of the other subscription tools, but it does involve a tool. I'm going to show you what that is. What if you could get these coloring pictures? Let's actually take a look at maybe this one and see what kind of coloring pages are there inside. Okay, this is a coloring. Okay, there we go. So we see the coloring. This is Disney, and so on the right hand side you would see the actual pictures that you can color. Let's maybe look at another one. Okay, we can take a look at this one. Look at the kind of pictures which are here. It's quite detailed. There's a lot of detail in this picture. Kids will find it difficult to color all these things, but they're still really good for kids. What if we can create something like this? Yeah, let's quickly go in and see how we can create such kind of wonderful coloring images easily. All right, ready? Here we go. All right, I'm in the tool that we're going to use to create the coloring pages, and these are some images that I've created using the tool, and it didn't take very long. It was very quick, very quick. I'm going to show you a different a technique that you can use to create many of these pictures very easily. Sometimes getting the idea in the first place is very difficult, but let's find out what tool it is. It's Artistly version 5. If you don't have this tool, you can check the description. I have a link to access this tool. It's a one-time payment tool, but you can create unlimited pictures. So without further ado, let's go ahead and show you how to create these pictures. So when you first log into Artistly, you might end up on this page. From here you go to create design, click on fast AI image designer, and then we select AI art illustrator. Now here you'd see the coloring page preset, and we enter a prompt here. I'm going to pick up a prompt that I've generated already, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a bit, but wait for it. I'm going to come back and show you the prompt. We're going to do something with space. Let's a spaceship zooming past comets in deep space. So once you have your prompt ready, I have a format here. So I've got the subject, I've got what the subject is doing, so the action, subject, verb, kind of the action, and the environment, where is the subject. So these are the details you'd need to create any coloring page. I'm going to choose the dimension of 9 by 16, 9, so that's a good size. I feel you can have 1, 2, 3 or 4 images per generation, and I'm going to choose 4 just to show you that this tool can actually do that. Let's generate the image. So it's going to show us that it's processing. Your design will be completed shortly. I'm going to pause and get back when this is done. It was actually very fast. The moment I hit pause, this image got generated. Look at it. It's a spaceship, just what we asked for, right? A spaceship zooming past comets in deep space. Hmm, interesting. Let's see. In just a few more minutes, perhaps these images will be ready as well. Or let's refresh and check. I just hit refresh and yes, they are all ready. All different spaceships. There are some kind of planets and stars and clouds. Beautiful images, right? Very neat lines, easy to color, great detail, just enough for kids. How about we try another one? Let me pause and get another prompt for us. I've got a funny prompt actually. Let's go check if this creates something. A carrot lifting weights at the gym. I'm going to show you how I'm coming up with these crazy ideas. Let's go with 9 by 16 and maybe let's do 2. Let's do 2. Generate image. And here are the 2. And let's see how long it takes. This time I'm not going to pause. Let's see actually how long it takes. I use this tool not just for coloring pages. I use this tool for a lot of different things, and I'm going to show you what you can achieve with this tool in the upcoming videos. But for this video, we'll focus on these coloring pages because this is kind of a blockbuster money making done for you thing, right? Just get your coloring pages ready in a jiffy and you're up and ready to sell anywhere you want. Okay, it's still processing. Let me refresh and check. Yeah, they're done. I've got one here. A carrot. Okay, now this is funny. This is okay. This is a little funny because the barbell is actually going through the carrot, and this one's hand is in front of the bar and not around it. So there'll be times when you get images which are not so perfect, and you need to expect it. It's AI, right? You need to expect it, and it may not be how you want it. And plus, if you give it some really crazy prompts like this, it's going to have difficulty trying to put that image together. But still, you can do it. So this is how you can create unlimited, I repeat, unlimited images, coloring pages for your business. Okay, if you don't want to really sell these images, you can just download them, print them out for your kids, give them when they have nothing else to do, let them sit and color these images. That'll be great for them instead of sitting with gadgets, right? All right, now I'm going to show you how you can come up with a lot of these prompts. Okay, I wouldn't have ever thought of a carrot holding a barbell for weightlifting or gym. So how do we come up with such crazy prompts, or even just some nice prompts like these? A space dog eating a sandwich, or a Komodo dragon chasing butterflies, the robot in a garden, rabbit dressed like Sherlock Holmes. Ah, no, that was original. There's also the fish in the coral reefs. That's also original, kind of. But how do we come up with these ideas quickly? Just hold your horses. I'm going to show them to you right away. All right, I'm in ChatGPT, as you can see, and this is going to be our best friend to create some of these great prompts. So I just have a basic prompt. I'm creating some coloring pages for kids and like some ideas. I want them in short phrase format for each image idea. The template I want you to use is this: the subject, what action the subject engaged in, and where the subject is placed. So I gave the details that I want. This is the format, the template that I use. If you want more details in it, just mention that you want more details and ChatGPT will do that. And look at these are the 5 that I got initially. And which one did I use? A robot planting trees in a sunny garden. That's what we used. Okay, dinosaurs splashing water near a volcano. Let's try that next. And then I wanted some more ideas. Let's focus on reptiles. You can go on. Now when you create coloring pages, you need to have at least 60 to 70 maybe in a book to make it really sell. And if you have more, and with this tool you can get any number, just package them into a bundle, sell them, you'll sell well. Sorry. And here's so many other ideas: space adventure. And then I tried something with food, and that's where I got this carrot lifting weights at the gym. Whimsical and fun. Kids will love this because these are not the usual ideas, usual coloring pages that are generated. These are different, and you can go as detailed or as minimal as you want, but try it out. Now let's go back to the tool and try out our dinosaur splashing in water. Okay, here we paste the prompt, and this time let's do just two images in the same 9 by 16. You can choose any other dimension you want. I choose this, generate image, and let's wait for a few seconds. It's 10 minutes, almost 11 minutes. Maybe in the next few seconds we should see it. If not, I'm going to refresh the page. When it comes to 11 minutes and 10 seconds, I'm going to refresh the page and let's check. Now, refreshed, and there we go. A dinosaur splashing in water near a volcano, and that's a beautiful picture to paint. Color, right? So there we have it. This is your one-stop tool to create unlimited coloring pages for all your needs, for business, for personal, just for enjoyment, for your kids, for even for adults. You have a different section there. I'll show it to you in a different video, but go crazy with this tool. And it comes with just one-time payment, and it's not even expensive. It's so cheap, it is so affordable, and it is very powerful. That's all I'm going to say. If you want to take a deeper dive into this tool, go down to the description, click on the link, and you will be directed to the page where you can get a copy for yourself. All right, so have fun, enjoy creating with Artistly, and remember, there are no subscription fees, and get your copy before the creators decide to get into a subscription model. All right, so see you, enjoy. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.